If you're looking to change the size of your Gboard keyboard found on your Pixel phone and with the latest update of your Gboard keyboard, Android 15. The fastest way to do this, let's just say you're about to start typing and your Gboard keyboard pops up like this here. And of course, Pixel phones are going to be using Gboard keyboard as your default keyboard. And once it pops up like this, you'll see these right here, this little section here with these 4 rounded squares. Go ahead and tap on that one time. And when you do this, you'll see these different options. And one of them is the resize option. Tap on it once and you'll notice this here is going to happen. So once it's like this here, you can now pull down on the tabs here. Okay, so go here and pull down on this tab here. All right, so you'll see this like that. And that's going to allow you to change the size of it. Okay, and tapping on this is just kind of bring it back to what it last was. And of course, whatever you leave it at will stay that way, or press the check mark to save it that way, like and said.